Dental care shouldn't be hard to understand. With Rendora's 3D avatars, dentists can share professional insights clearly and engagingly, making oral health knowledge easy to trust and remember. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Lisa, your neighborhood dentist, and today I want to chat with you about something we all do every day, brushing your teeth. Here's what we're covering today. First, we'll go over some brushing basics, and a look at why checkups are key to keeping your smile healthy. Let's start with the basics, brushing. It's something we all do, but are we doing it right? Brush twice a day, use a soft brush, and don't rush. 2 minutes each time does the trick. It's simple but super important. Now let's talk checkups. Seeing your dentist regularly helps keep your teeth in great shape. Come in every 6 months. Catching small issues early makes treatment easier. Plus, X-rays help us spot things you can't see or feel yet. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Got questions or need a checkup? Reach out anytime. I'm Dr. Lisa. Take care and keep smiling. If you want to learn more about how you can make your own 3D videos for free, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos on our website. We will see you in the next one.